where, Chef? Kita di mana sekarang, Chef?
Kita ada di Thermomix Indonesia Experience Center.
Dan ini hari kita bakal apa, Chef?
Nah, hari ini kita akan bikin prawn laksa. Nah, kalian kan belum pernah kesini kan? Coba lihat ruangannya.
Baru nih, guys.
Keren, man.
Brand new. Bersama
ini
Sharon
brand
dan
new.
Chef.
Kita pertama kali hari ini bikin prawn laksa.
Prawn laksa.
Dan besok-besok kalau kita bikin acara lagi akan selalu di sini.
Bagus kan, guys?
So guys,
Sebelum we start, guys, kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan langsung aja di DM karena nanti Chef bakalan answer ya, Chef.
Ya, I will
All
answer.
of your questions. Jadi langsung aja diketik ya, guys.
nah nanti yang akan nanya, nanti kalian tanya ke Sharon, and Sharon will tell me, and I will answer you.
Exactly.
Okay?
A royal guest.
Okay. Have you eaten laksa before?
I love laksa, Chef.
Oh, she loves laksa.
I love laksa, man.
Karena Sharon loves laksa, we'll do laksa for her.
Exactly, Chef.
Oke guys, hari ini kita bikin laksa. Nah, ini bahan-bahannya untuk laksa, coba maju sedikit ke depan.
Apa tuh, Chef?
Nah, laksa ini sebetulnya kita laksa hari ini bumbunya saya berdasarkan bumbu kuning ya. Jadi saya punya bumbu kuning resep, which we can share to you guys juga. Tapi kalau kalian sudah punya bumbu kuning resep sendiri, jadi kalian bisa menggunakan itu juga sebagai base ya. Oke, untuk itu kita membutuhkan bumbu kuning ya. Kemudian ada kecombrang ya. Kemudian saya punya ini cabai kering ya.
Kering, oke.
Dry chili yang kita udah rendam dengan air sebelumnya.
Rendam berapa lama ya, Chef?
Paling an hour gitu.
An hour, oke.
Kemudian ini cabai merah ya, boleh pakai cabai merah keriting kalau maunya pedas, tapi ini kita pakai yang cabai merah besar.
Betul.
Lalu ada ebi, very important, so you have that
Taste.
prawn flavor, right? Kemudian and umami flavor, right? Kemudian ada curry powder, ya. So,
Wow.
awal-awalnya kita bikin bumbunya dulu. Jadi sebenarnya bumbu kuning ditambah bahan-bahan yang lainnya ini, ya nggak? Let's make the bumbu dulu.
Oke,
ya?
sama
Oke.
Thermomix.
Untuk
Let's go.
itu ya jelas, we do it
Let's
with
go,
Thermomix,
guys.
ya nggak?
Let's go.
We do it with Thermomix.
The only thing you
Ini kita awalnya giling bumbunya dulu ya. Masukin semuanya ke sini dulu ya.
Ini berapa gram nih, Chef?
Sini sudah diukur tadi. Berapa ya tadi? Saya lupa, saya mesti
Pokoknya
cek dulu.
one handful
Tapi
lah ya.
resepnya kita punya, ya nggak?
handful.
So, kemudian chili ya, dry chili
dry chili.
inside, red chili in, ebi in,
Wow,
ya.
guys.
Kemudian curry, ya, curry powder in, ya. Nah, ini kita akan giling, lalu kita masak,
Oke.
ya. Sebelum kita menambahkan bumbu kuningnya, karena bumbu kuning ini kita udah masak.
Ini
ya.
terakhir namanya.
Terakhir,
Oke.
karena ini belum mateng, jadi yang mateng nanti masuk ke yang mateng juga.
Oke,
ya.
supaya nggak overcook ya, Chef?
Betul, ya.
Oke.
Oke, sekarang kita tutup dulu, giling dulu. Sekarang kita giling dulu, biasalah 10 detik ya. Let's do 10 seconds at speed 7 usually.
Speed 7, 10 seconds ya,
so
catat
it's
guys.
just let it mix. And you have a look.
Done. Good job,
Ini yang
Thermomix.
paling asik nih bunyinya ya nggak?
Good job, my friend, Thermomix.
Oke, here we go.
Wow,
Look.
oh.
That's it. And you smell it.
Ooh la la.
Smell it.
Oh. It smells like my perfume. Abby perfume, guys.
Tapi it smells like ebi, it smells like kecombrang ya. It's really nice loh.
Man, it
So,
looks-
if you want to mau digiling lagi boleh ya. Kalau misalnya mau digiling lagi, tapi nggak apa-apa lah. Ada sedikit ini ya.
Texture ya.
Karena we cook it anyway ya. It's a little bit texture. And then what happen is you can also basically leave it like this, so you have texture when you eat it later. Ya nggak?
Okay.
It's actually better.
I prefer textures.
Ya,
I prefer
but kalau seandainya kita mau fine dining kan kita saring nanti sausnya, tapi kita
Yeah.
bikin autentis hari ini
raw,
nggak apa-apa.
natural
Nah,
texture.
ini ada minyak ya, saya tambahkan minyak ya,
Minyak apa nih,
supaya
Chef?
ini minyak sayur aja.
Oke, minyak
Saya tambahkan minyak sedikit supaya kita tumis ininya di dalam minyaknya. Ya, kita harus tumis harus ada minyaknya, jadi kita tumis pakai minyak.
Supaya wangi ya, Chef.
Jangan supaya wangi, supaya mateng,
Oke.
dan jangan terlalu banyak minyaknya karena di bumbu kuning sudah ada minyak juga.
Oh, oke.
Ya.
Jangan kebanyakan minyak ya, guys. Oke.
Oke.
Next up.
Sekarang kita
Masak nih.
masak ya. Sekitar 20 minutes.
Oke, 20 minutes.
We could around 20 minutes ya sebelum kita nanti tambahin
Bumbu
ininya,
kuning.
bumbu kuningnya ya. It's okay lah, 20 minutes should be enough because we don't have too much ya. Oke, suhunya kita pakai Faruma 120 ya. Sorry, 120 and then kita speed 1.
Oke,
Okay,
20
we don't
menit
need to-
120 speed
Yeah,
1 guys.
Just keep it open so you can see it ya, how it's cooked ya. Nanti kita perhatiin ini ya. Oke, Sharon, coba come
Oke.
here. I actually have already bumbu yang sudah jadi ya di sini ya. Ini yang di sini kita nanti belum tambahin bumbu kuningnya.
Kuning, ya,
Nanti
betul.
kalau udah selesai kita tambahin bumbu kuning ya. Tapi saya pikir ya sambil ini masak ya, kita bikin aja ini yang sudah jadi. Ini yang sudah jadi sudah seperti ini ya. Ini kita udah masak tadi dan
20
ini
menit.
sudah ditambah bumbu kuning juga. You can smell it. Hold it. Smell it. You can smell ya. It has this
Smell,
laksa.
guys.
It has this laksa flavor.
So laksa flavor, definitely laksa flavor.
It smells really nice ya. So what we do is supaya kita nggak buang waktu ya. Jadi let this bumbu let it cook.
Blend
ya.
it, okay, cook
Jadi
it.
sementara karena kita di Thermomix Indonesia Experience Center,
Exactly.
jadi I have the luxury of using two Thermomix units. Ya. Jadi
Exactly.
saya bisa sambil masak sini,
Betul,
sambil
Chef.
prepare yang lain.
You
gitu
memang
loh.
have the privilege because you're a very honored guest, you know, forever our chef.
Oke, coba kita sekarang masak kaldunya aja untuk ini. Laksa ini tuh sebetulnya kalau kita sudah punya bumbunya gampang banget gitu.
Gampang ya? Setiap
Jadi-
hari bisa dimasak dong ini. Chef.
Sebenarnya bisa sih, tapi kaldunya you can, for example, if you have the bumbu sudah jadi seperti ini ya, kita bisa nyimpan.
Oh,
ya.
berapa lama, Chef?
Lama. Jadi seandainya dengan keadaan dengan seperti ini, you can vacuum pack it.
Oke.
You can put it in the freezer. ya.
Freezer.
Tapi freezernya ini harus benar-benar dingin ya. Kalau kita ngomongin dingin ya minus 18 derajat at
itu dingin
least
banget
ya.
sih, oke.
And it has to be consistent. You can easily keep it half year.
Half year?
Yes. I even kept bumbu ya seperti ini, laksa or misalnya I did some Thai curries which actually is juga sedikit dry kayak gini ya. I kept for 1 year
1
and I
year?
used it again. Still very good. Yeah. So you can do it. Yeah?
Okay, freeze it, guys, freeze it.
And if you want to keep it in the chiller, you just put it in an airtight container. You can easily keep it for 1 to 2 weeks.
1
Nggak
to 2
masalah.
weeks, okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Jadi kalau freezer can be 6 months, kalau
Yeah.
airtight container in the normal fridge 1 to 2 weeks, guys.
Exactly. Okay. Sekarang kita masukin ini ya dalam sini. I usually add a little bit oil, just a
Oil,
little
okay.
bit to smoothen it up. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, just a little bit. You use a little bit oil.
The same oil ini
Not too much. And what you do now, apa yang kita lakukan sekarang? We cook it. Jadi bukan cooking lama. Jadi misalnya 2 menit, we just release the flavor.
The
Ya nggak?
harumnya.
Supaya aromanya keluar
Okay.
dan dia agak mulai panas masak sebelum kita masukin air atau kaldu dan santan.
Oh,
Ya? Okay.
okay, guys. Exciting things happening right now.
So 2 minutes.
2 minutes,
Let's say 3 minutes. Ya, 3 minutes. I did it 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes.
Ya, 2 3 because
2 to 3.
kenapa 3 menit ya? Karena supaya dia panas, ya enggak? Supaya dia mulai panas, ini kan masih dingin nih, ya. So this is 3 minutes.
3 menit.
Okay.
Okay.
Kemudian we give sekitar salah, sorry. Here.
It's okay, guys.
Nggak apa-apa. Okay.
Don't worry too much.
110. ya.
110, okay.
And then we give sekitar ya 1 ya. What we do is basically
Mix it.
we heat it
and
up.
like, okay.
Jadi ini cuma dipanasin aja ya supaya dia panas. Baru nanti kita masukin kaldu atau air
Okay.
sama santan ya.
Wow.
Oke.
Oh ya, kenapa nggak pakai ini nih, chef?
Oh, kenapa nggak ditutup
Ya.
ya di sini ya supaya kita bisa lihat ya nggak? Karena ini kan speednya kecil ya, jadi dia nggak akan keluar ya.
Tapi kalau
nggak
mau ditutup
keluar.
boleh juga kan?
Boleh
Chef?
kamu tutup, tapi lebih baik kamu karena ini kan liquidnya banyak sedikit dan minyaknya sedikit
Okay.
ya. You can smell it already, but you have to be able to see how your bumbu looks like. Ya nggak? It
Okay.
changes color.
Yes, yes,
nanti
yes.
kalau seandainya kepanasan gosong kan susah.
Betul,
ya nggak?
betul. Harus
Jadi
ulang lagi
kalau
kalau
ketutup nggak kelihatan. Jadi kayak gini kita bisa ngontrol ya. You can smell it also. Ya nggak?
yes.
You can smell.
Aromaterapi.
Oh, you You smell like laksa today.
You too. Oh yes.
Oh, honey, you smell like laksa today.
Calming flavor today.
Oke, ini kita juga buka nggak masalah ya.
Wow.
Nah, ini juga bisa lihat ya.
Oh, ini pakai mesin jenis apa nih?
Oh, ini kita menggunakan hari ini TM6.
TM6
Ya.
guys, TM6.
So, jadi TM6 that's the
TM6.
newest version ya. Di rumah saya punya in my studio I have TM6, in my home I have the TM31. That's the older
Okay.
version ya.
What is the difference, chef?
The difference is way different.
Way different.
This one is much more. It has applications. Kamu bisa it can go online. You can take all the recipes of
Okay.
cookie dough. You can put it into your machine and then you can look at the recipes.
Okay.
Ya. Right away on your unit. Ya, nggak? Which yang dulu yang TM31
Practical.
nggak bisa gitu loh.
Practical
nggak?
ya ini?
Practical,
Okay.
very practical. And it has timbangan, kemudian ada you can cook sous vide, you can do egg boiling, you can do banyak banget lah.
Basically
ini ya.
everything, guys.
I think we have to do one day just explaining what features this equipment
Our
has.
friend, yeah, our friend has a lot of good qualities here, but one day chef will tell us more. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So now back to this.
Back to this. Nah, di sini kan we still have another 30 seconds ya sampai ini selesai sebelum kita masukin kaldu atau air.
Oh, pretty fast ya?
Iya, kita pakai
Fast,
air ya. Kita pakai air. I want to show you also the feature of the scale ya. Karena kita membutuhkan sekitar setengah liter air ya untuk
Okay.
resep hari ini. Tapi di sini kan saya punya lebih. Jadi I show you
How the scale works in
exactly
Thermomix. Okay.
the scale application di sini. Oke, kemudian santan kita udah punya santan di sini ya. Ini udah ukur.
Okay.
This is actually very easy. Oh, and then, nah, coba dulu ya. Ini sudah selesai.
We're gonna pour water.
Kita cek di dalam, coba lihat.
Coba lihat, guys.
Smell it. Udah enak kan? Memang
Ini
dia udah
gurih
matang.
banget sih,
Ini
smell.
gurih. Karena dia kan sebenarnya udah komplit, udah mateng ya ininya.
Oh my
Nah, sekarang yang tadi tujuannya kita nyalain ini supaya it releases the aroma, ya, the flavors and the aroma kan.
The difference, man.
That's what we need. at the
3
moment.
minutes makes the difference, guys. 3 menit doang, guys.
Oke. Sekarang kita isi dengan air atau kaldu. Kalau kalian
Oke.
punya air, boleh pakai air. Saya juga tidak punya kaldu at this stage. I just have water, but that's okay. Ya nggak?
Karena ini udah
Betul. Now we look at the feature ya. Kita punya ambil yang scale sekarang ya. We take scale. So now we need 500 gram of water lah. kurang
500
lebih,
gram,
ya nggak?
okay.
So you can actually
tar.
you can weight di sini juga. Jadi kita nggak mesti dari luar ada scale-nya. Jadi kita
500
langsung
gram ya, guys.
isi di sini aja kan. How practical this is, no?
Kayak biology. 500 gram of.
Exactly. Ya ini yang membuat alat ini sangat unggul ya, karena you have so many different equipment in one unit gitu loh.
1 unit, guys. 400. More, a little bit more.
Ini ya.
9 more gram. Make it accurate. Okay,
That's
man.
okay, that's okay.
Not bad.
500.
Not bad,
04,
guys.
that's okay. Kemudian kita punya di sini santan ya. I have santan udah
Coba berapa
diukur
gram
tadi.
nih?
This is 50 gram
Nah,
santan.
50 gram of
Ya.
santan.
That's enough gitu. If
Santan.
you want to have more, of course you can have more if you want to. Ya nggak? Tapi saya pikir cukuplah segini. Nanti kita lihat ya kalau kita butuh lagi kita tambah lagi. Karena apa? Karena laksa itu kan sebetulnya it's not thick ya, it's a bit thin. It's like a
True,
broth
true,
kan.
broth.
Laksa itu
Brothy.
like a brothy thing. Okay. Okay. So
Wow.
now we
look
have
at
to
this,
put the
guys.
seasoning ya. Now we have to put the seasoning inside ya.
Oh, what is this?
Salt.
Salt.
Ya.
Garam,
Salt.
guys. Garam.
Needs I feel this.
Always have garam, guys. Penting banget ini.
Salt, how much saltnya? Kurang lebih 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Put a little bit more.
Or 1 and a half.
We have to taste it later, Sharon. Ya. And maybe we have to add a little bit more. Let's see gitu loh.
I love
Kemudian pepper or merica ya
Mericanya
sekitar
setengah.
1/4 sampai setengah
Oke.
teaspoon ya.
Ini we
And then bolehlah kamu kasih kalau mau sedikit
Gula.
penyedap rasa. Enggak,
Oh.
penyedap rasa. Ya, sedikit
ini,
aja.
Ini penting banget, guys, actually. Ini makes all the difference, you know.
Here.
Oh,
Sedikit aja. Ya.
More the better, chef.
No, secukupnya aja. Ini
We
sekitar
love
setengah sendok teh lah, ya enggak? Oke. So, if you want to put sugar in there, you can also do a
Okay.
little bit, maybe.
A little?
Just a little bit, not too much.
Half.
Yeah.
Half a teaspoon.
Yeah, a quarter teaspoon.
A quarter.
Little bit sugar. Yeah. Okay. So now, actually, what we do now, we heat it up
Okay.
around 10 minutes. Yeah. We heat it up around 10 minutes.
Wah, I can smell the penyedap rasa, man.
Jangan gitu dong.
It's like dish.
Okay, let's get 10 minutes
10 minutes.
and at around 100
100.
degree Celsius should be enough. 10
Okay.
minutes, okay. Do 100
100.
degree. Here we go. And then we just use one. Okay.
One.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, so what you can look inside. I open it, so it will basically cook. Yeah, so and you can smell. It will cook and it will all emulsify. Will all
It will mix perfectly.
Perfectly, the flavor, the taste, the santan with the kaldu ya.
Lihat itu guys. Brimming with flavor.
Nanti kita lihat ya, nanti kita cicip ya.
Ya.
Kalau seandainya
Boleh,
I
boleh
have
sekali.
you to try. If you tell me, kayaknya chef masih kurang santan, we add more.
Kurang banyak kayak nanti.
So today you are the tester,
I'm
okay?
the tester.
So,
Okay,
kita
what are we
lanjut
doing next?
sekarang. So what we do is because we have time. Ya. So kita di sini ya untuk isinya sebetulnya kita ada egg
Mie,
noodles ya,
egg
Ya,
noodles.
egg noodles, mie. Kemudian saya ada pok choy. Ini saya sudah blanch semua ya. Ada pok choy. You
Blanchnya
can-
perlu berapa menit, chef?
Cuman blanching is actually you have boiling water. So when it boils, you put in your vegetables and then it stops boiling. Yeah, when you put the vegetables inside. So the moment it restarts to boil,
Boil
again,
again.
that's the time you take it out. And then you put it in ice water.
Tips and
yeah?
trick, okay.
Yeah, that's the tips.
Easy.
And saya pakai pok choy di sini. Tapi kalau seandainya you want to use other vegetables, misalnya sawi bisa.
Boleh,
ya.
okay.
You want to use broccoli, you want to use anything else, whatever you want, you
Semuanya
can.
bisa.
ya.
Okay, I see.
There's no limits, but today we use bok choy.
Bok choy.
I have some quail eggs. Yeah. I have some seafood tofu, yeah, which
Seafood
we will put inside later. Yeah. And then namanya juga prawn laksa ya nggak?
Wah, kita ada apa nih guys?
Yes.
Guys, lihat di fridge ada apa nih guys?
Yes, yeah.
Fresh
Here
from
we
the
go.
fridge.
We have some nice prawns today.
Ooh,
We have some
giant.
big tiger prawns. The team today has prepared big tiger prawns.
Good job, team.
Good job.
We
And
love big
it's
fat
all-
prawns.
It's for you.
Oh, it's for me. Good job, team.
Okay, so ini masih ada 7 minutes. There's time.
And this one?
This one we have another 7 minutes juga ya.
Okay.
Sebelum kita nanti ini masih ada 7 menit, cuma ada 7 menit. Sebelum kita di sini masukin bumbu kuningnya tadi ya.
Tuh. Chef, ada pertanyaan, Chef.
Yes.
Bagian hitam di dalam udang itu harus di take out atau apa?
Yes. Jadi kalau bersihin udang ya, kalau bisa ini coba lihat. Ini kita udah buka di sini ya. Kita udah open this one ya. And then you have to clean out kayak di sini nih. You have to clean out. This has to be clean out. You see this one?
Okay.
You can take this out.
Supaya nggak
here,
pahit ya,
like
Chef?
this. No, this is the ususnya. Ya nggak? Jadi kotorannya di sini nih kayak gini nih. Ya nggak? You have to take this
Ada yang
out.
makan nggak ususnya?
You can eat it if you want. You're not gonna die when you eat it gitu loh. But it's just nicer when you clean it up like this.
Oke,
ya nggak?
supaya cakep
You see?
ya.
Yeah, this is clean already. Yeah. You see? You
Oh, I
This is
see.
good. Cannot be.
Oke, jadinya kalau sebaiknya dibersihin aja ya guys. Kalau misalnya ada item-item part yang di udang langsung aja di clean supaya
Nah,
bersih.
today what we do is kamu lihat ya, ada satu yang utuh, ada yang utuh, ada juga yang sudah dikupas ya.
Oke.
Kenapa saya pakai ada yang utuh, ada yang dikupas? Karena udangnya hari ini gede banget ya. Jadi kita yang utuhnya buat garnish saja ya, which you can also eat afterwards.
Of course.
And the small one supaya you can eat it right away.
Of
gitu loh.
course, of
The-
course.
Yang dikupas. Jadi kalau seandainya kadang-kadang kita nggak mau pakai udang yang gede ya, pakai yang kecil nggak apa-apa. You can use the small ones juga.
Okay.
You can even leave them whole, nggak dikupas.
Okay.
Tapi yang penting dibuka belakangnya, keluarin ususnya,
Ususnya,
kotorannya keluarin, and then you can even put it whole into your broth. Nggak apa-apa. Ya?
Anyway, we do guys.
It's much more authentic gitu loh, ya nggak? So, kita kan sambil nunggu nih, ya
Oke.
nggak, Shan? Jadi,
Kita mau ngapain?
udah siapin mangkoknya di sini. So, what we can do, misalnya ya, karena ini kan udah di blanch, we don't need to put it inside.
Mau
If you
style.
want to put it inside, also can do, tapi nggak perlu. Okay, so what you do is, you laid also you played it on
Okay.
you played it on. I've washed my hand already.
Of course.
So look, you can play it on in your thing,
Beautiful
yeah.
plate. Clay.
You can use it. I will show you something. Take
What do you
give me
need,
a
sir?
spoon. Yeah. You can use the spoon to do this. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You can do it like this. Yeah.
Okay,
You can
technique.
do it like this,
Wow, looks like a fine dining
and then
style,
you put it
man.
inside like this. Yeah. You can do it like this.
Whoa.
So it looks nice. Yeah. In a professional kitchen, when you do a lot of fine dining pasta or noodle dishes, so sometimes you can do it like this.
Oh, you can put it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
build it up.
You can also use your hand. What we do is we use our hand like this,
Okay.
so you can form it better, right? And then you make it very rapih. Tapi
Tapi for
this
today
also.
it's a spoon,
Yeah,
guys.
You can use like this.
Untuk ini hari spoon.
Okay. And then we have some quail eggs here.
Perlu dipotong nggak, chef itu?
Yes, kita perlu potong quail egg-nya. Potong lah, ya nggak?
Lepetit.
Petit quail eggs.
Lepetit.
See, you can put this inside.
Ooh,
like
looking
this,
good.
Yeah. It's also for you want a lot of quail eggs, a little bit,
A little bit more.
a little bit more.
The more the better.
Oke, ini nggak mesti pakai quail egg ya, nggak mesti pakai telur puyuh, bisa juga pakai telur ayam kalau
Telur
mau
ayam ya?
Telur
Kalau
ayam,
telur bebek?
telur bebek juga bisa.
Oke.
Apa? Ya ostrich egg you can also use, but you need to have a pot to put it inside.
Ostrich, we make a big fat.
Oke. Lihat di sana udah bunyi belum? Masih ada berapa menit?
3 menit lagi, guys.
Habis itu kita harus masukin bumbu kuningnya nanti ke situ
Betul.
ya, yang masih ini.
Jadi sambil nunggu kita
Di sini
plating
masih
dulu.
ada 4 menit, so we still have time to make our
Beautify
laksa.
our
Okay.
laksa.
So now, what else do we have here?
We have
We have
bakcoy.
apa nih? What do we have here?
Bak choy.
Pok choy.
Bok choy.
Bok
Is it
choy.
bak choy or bok choy?
Up to you. Bak choy, pok choy. Any choy choy?
Chef
Oke.
juga ada pertanyaan, Chef. Kalau
Yes.
mie-nya diganti bihun, oke gak?
Bisa. Ada yang tanya. Kalau mie-nya diganti bihun bisa. Kalau mie-nya diganti suun bisa. Kalau mie-nya diganti spaghetti bisa.
Hashtag bisa.
Kalau mau diganti fettuccine bisa.
Bisa.
Cuman I'm not sure whether it's still original laksa gitu loh.
Exactly.
But it is also good gitu loh.
Exactly,
Ya nggak? So
yeah.
there is no
Dicampur juga bisa. Right?
Nggak ada, ya,
Egg
dicampur.
and bihun.
Ya boleh.
Nah.
Ya, it's up to you lah. Ya nggak? Nah, ini kalau mau besar-besar sedikit, kamu bisa taruh begini. Ya. Kalau mau kecil, you can cut it smaller. Ya nggak? Up to you the way you want it. Ya nggak?
Wah, you're
I
making
just-
a volcano.
Nah, I just put it now inside. Ya. If you later want to have more,
Feel healthier, more
feel healthier, feel more to
veggies.
put inside. Oke, this is so nanti yang kita akan masukin di sini juga adalah kecombrang. Ya, nanti masukin kecombrang.
Oh, ini nggak usah
sebagai
dimasak.
garnish.
Langsung aja masukin.
Bisa. Kalau masukin sebagai garnish aja nggak banyak.
Oh, oke,
yang
oke.
lainnya kan udah kita masak. Ya. Kemudian sedikit cabai untuk garnish aja. Kemudian ada bawang goreng. Ya.
Nyam.
Seafood tofu.
Seafood tofu?
Ini ada seafood tofu sama udangnya. Kita akan masukin ke kaldunya. Ya, nanti it will cook with the kaldu. Tapi kita tunggu dulu sampai dia selesai. Go there. Smell it.
Oh,
Smell
okay.
it.
Time to smell ma. Guys. Smells so good, guys. Coba kalau kalian di sini, man. Smell check. Oke, jadi kita hampir ini selesai.
Ini
Ini
saya
almost done
potong
nih,
dulu
Chef.
ya. Saya potong ini.
Tinggal 1 menitan.
Saya potong apa? Seafood
Seafood
tofunya.
tofu.
Ya, saya potong kayak gini, so we can put it inside. You can also leave it big like this, but it's difficult to eat.
To
no?
eat, yeah.
It's a bit
Apalagi if
difficult,
the
so-
people have like
Yeah. Okay.
children.
So,
Almost done.
over
This is
there,
almost done.
it's almost done.
1 minute, 1
so we
minute.
just wait.
1 minute, guys.
Coba have a
Jadi
look.
guys, kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan langsung tanya aja ya guys. Karena kita itu very friendly. Kita pasti answer you, you know. Don't
We are
worry,
very
you know.
friendly
We're very
katanya.
friendly.
Nobody is biting here.
Exactly.
So look at this, okay?
Sambil nunggu boleh dilihat juga nih our Thermomix Place Experience Center, guys. Lihat bagus betapa indahnya ini, semua putih-putih, super
Do a
clean.
tour, do a tour.
Do a tour, guys. Welcome to Thermomix Experience Center. Sini we have cupboard. Sini we have wash bin. Sini we have refrigerator. Very small tapi packed tapi have everything. Because why? This is our Thermomix Experience Center. Jadi kalau kalian misalnya mau tahu how to do your Thermomix atau anything, kalian bisa aja come here ya chef.
Yes.
Mereka bakalan explain to you. If you wanna know tempatnya, alamat di mana, langsung aja di DM guys. Karena kita friendly people, will just text you back. Exactly.
Apalagi ada Sharon today. Very friendly today.
Friendly. Wah, this is almost done nih chef.
This is almost done.
2 seconds. Pip, 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 pip.
Oke, sekarang kita coba cek dulu.
Coba cek.
Angkat aja dulu ini. So,
Woohoo.
put this inside, you see?
Oh,
Already like
consistency-nya
this,
kayak gini.
You smell it already ya nggak?
Oh man.
Nah,
yeah.
sekarang kita add the bumbu kuning ya. Then we give it another twist for maybe 2 minutes. And then that's it actually.
Oh my
Just put it
gosh.
together and then we actually have the bumbu ready ya.
Then this one also can be freeze or put refrigerator ya.
You can afterwards freeze it in the refrigerator. Ya nggak? Nah, yang di sana juga udah selesai nih.
Jadi ini 2 menit lagi ya.
Kewalahan kita nih. Oke.
It's
ini
crunch
kotor.
time everybody.
Sin dulu. Oke, 2 minutes.
2 menit.
2 minutes. Tadi 100. Let's do 110. It's okay karena
Udah cook ya.
sudah panas kan. And then we put it in one. So let it stir a little bit. Okay, we go this way.
Oke.
This
Ready.
Udah bunyi juga. Coba lihat kaldunya.
Ooh.
Get a spoon first.
Oh my gosh.
Let me try and maybe you should try as well.
Let
Kita
us
coba
try.
Dulu ya. Kita coba dulu.
The best
Rasanya seperti apa?
Guys, mari kita coba.
Kurang apa? Enough?
I think it's enough.
Enough?
Enough. For me it's enough.
Good.
For
Then
you?
leave it. For you it's enough. It's good.
For me
you
it's
can
enough.
always put salt afterwards.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can always put salt.
But if you guys nggak mau puffy, you want health conscious, less salt ya guys. So you don't want water retention. You know what I mean?
Okay, this is finished, right? Now we don't have to cook it too long. Kita nggak usah
Okay.
masak terlalu lama, ya nggak? Karena ini kan semua udah mateng. Yang harus dimatengin kan udangnya.
Udang,
ya.
oke.
Tapi udangnya ini kan udang itu tidak membutuhkan yang lama ya. Paling 5 menit udah mateng. Ini kan
cepat
sudah
juga.
panas ya. Ini sudah tadi kita di
100
100 derajat ya.
yeah,
Jadi it's already cooking temperature. So we put this inside sekarang ya. We put the tofu yang
Seafood
kita
tofu.
potong tadi ya, kita masukin ke dalam. Ya. Kemudian udangnya. Ya. Put the cooked ones inside. Ya.
Oh wow.
Just put it inside. See the cooked ones. And then the one big one for garnish, put inside.
Okay.
So, now we close it up.
Cook it again, 5
Put
minutes.
it
ya.
again. Tapi, this time, kita cuma 5 menit aja cukup. Ya. 5 menit. Okay. 5 minutes, that's actually enough. That's more than enough, 5 minutes. Ya, when you have, kalau udangnya kecil, bisa juga 2 menit, 3 menit.
cepet banget,
tergantung
Chef.
kegedean udangnya.
Oke,
ya.
tapi
This
karena udang kita
100
gede ya.
derajat, we go back to 100 degrees, ya. Okay, and then this we have to reverse it, ya.
Reverse.
And
Ini
then we
simbolnya
just-
ya guys.
yeah, and then
Simbolnya
we
reverse.
just stir it, ya. Ini cuma stirring aja. So you can have a look inside, it moves now.
Oh, I see. Chef, ada pertanyaan nih, Chef.
Yes.
Misalnya, barusan kan cook kaldunya tanpa the cup
Yes,
itu.
yes.
Kalau misalnya dibuka gitu, airnya bakal berkurang or not? So is it better to put the cup or enggak?
Enggak juga sih, enggak berkurangnya enggak banyak karena kita tadi kan kita masaknya itu I tell you kenapa enggak berkurang. Ini kita tadi masaknya kan dengan suhu cuma 100
Yeah.
ya, it's not really mendidih. Dan dari desainnya ini, the mixing bowl is like this, ya. So it creates a lot of condensation.
Okay, I
ya.
see.
So you don't lose that much of liquid. ya.
liquid.
It takes a very long time for a liquid
To evaporate.
So that's actually juga satu hal yang aman dengan itu.
Okay.
ya. It will never burn so quick with
Okay,
this equipment. Ya. So,
Thermomix, guys. Thermomix.
okay. Ini sudah jadi nih ya. Have a look here. Smell it. If you smell, it smells like the one we had before, right?
Yes, exactly. Same smell.
Nah, kalian bisa lihat ya, ini paste-nya yang sudah jadi, yang kita barusan campur dengan bumbu kuningnya. So this is already done. Nah, dengan sudah begini, kita bisa dinginkan, kemudian kita bisa simpan di dalam
Kulkas
atau
atau
kita
freezer.
freeze it, ya. So you can keep it for long time, ya.
Recap ya, kalau freezer di vacuum pack bisa last 6 bulan. Kalau
Yeah.
misalnya cuma refrigerator, fridge biasa 1 sampai 2 minggu.
When you have a real good freezer, 1 year no problem.
1 year. Ooh.
I've done it I've used one that is for 1 year and it tastes as good as
Does it taste like, you know, the longer it is, the better, like
No.
wine? No, like wine.
It does not.
Wow,
Okay.
oh man.
We said how much? Masih ada 2 minutes ya?
Oh, very
So
fast.
It gives me time to cut a
To
little bit,
Beautify our plate.
the garnish a little bit ya.
Why are you cleaning the seat,
Ya, karena
chef?
I want to slice. Saya mau iris ininya, iris the cabenya for garnish only. Ya.
Oh, that's
So
why.
that's why I take it off. I don't need. But if you want to have the bijinya di situ juga
Juga
nggak
oke.
masalah sih.
Ini how to chop skillfully. Wah. Memang beda ya potongan experience chef.
Okay, this is what we need. That's enough. We don't need
That's
more.
enough?
Okay. Okay.
Ooh. Dan ini cooking tinggal 1,5 menit lagi.
If you look at it, actually, the prawns is already cooked. You see, it's boiling in there. ya.
Where? Let me see.
So it is actually boiling.
It's
Jadi
chilling,
sebenarnya
man.
udah mateng nih. Look at it, it's cool, huh?
Oh yeah, it looks red. It's in like a sauna, in a laundry sauna. Go roll. Oh, it's boiling now. You can see bubble.
Yeah,
It
it's
is.
boiling because it's 100 degrees. So
Bubble,
it's boiling.
bubble.
So karena liquidnya nggak terlalu banyak ya, and ininya levelnya juga cuman stirring.
Oke.
Saya nggak tutup ya.
Oke.
Kalau liquidnya lebih banyak, it can overflow when you stir it. You better close it. Tapi ini
Oke.
masih oke lah. Ini masih it boils nicely. We have another 50
Smells
seconds
so
to go,
good.
and it's done actually. Huh?
This is perfection, guys, in its making. So laksa, everybody. Udah dicatat belum, guys? All the degree. Tapi don't worry, resepinya nanti ada kok.
Oke, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, countdown time, guys.
Nah, sebetulnya kalau dipikir ya, tadi kita masaknya nggak lama ya.
Nggak lama.
How many you start? Half an hour.
Half an
hour. Setengah jam. Banyak ngobrolnya,
Betul,
banyak
betul.
bercandanya gitu ya nggak. Masaknya yang masak bukan saya.
That
Ini
makes-
these two guys are cooking today.
Our
ya nggak?
friends.
And they will always cook.
Exactly.
And we are just putting things inside. So
Make them work.
ya, that's the advantage of it, ya nggak?
Exactly.
Jadi kita punya banyak waktu ngobrol, jadi kita nggak usah takut ini akan gosong, digosong. Karena dari segi temperaturnya dia harus lumayan konsisten dan terjaga. Ya.
Selesai
Ini
nih, guys.
selesai. Ya.
Coba lihat,
Look at
guys.
this. Have a look.
Ooh.
Silakan lihat ya.
Omo.
Our laksa. Dan itu tuh ada sedikit ada this chili oil on top ya. That's what the laksa is all about.
Exactly.
Jangan ilangin itu because this is what you really need. Gitu. Oke.
This is the-
Ini sudah ada di sini ya. Now we plate it. Maybe have a look. So.
Wah,
maybe
ini I mau video, chef.
what we do first is I think we take
I
out
gotta
the
like
prawns. Ya.
video this.
Kita keluarin isi-isinya. Ini ada
Wait
tofunya.
for it.
Look at this udang nih.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Yes. Paradise is on Saturday.
Paradise Island. Paradise in Thermomix Experience Center, guys. Lebay banget.
Oke. Ini mana yang satunya?
Pokoknya, chef, when you pour, I need to take that good shot.
Yes.
I'm ready.
First, we put the main player out here.
Ooh, the
Pemain
big
utamanya.
fat
This guy.
prawn.
Now,
He's called Mr. Prada. Centerpiece.
oke, kita kasih
Ooh.
kaldunya.
Kaldunya. Ooh. Yummy. Wow. I'm getting good videos right now. Guys, photo this. Photo time.
Oke. Sekarang kita kasih sedikit ya, kalau mau kasih sedikit kecombrang. Ya, sedikit aja, nggak
Topping.
usah banyak-banyak ya sebagai topping. So you have a little bit of kecombrang. You have
Bawang, bawang goreng.
a little bit, ya nggak?
Oh la la.
Nah, kemudian kita kasih
Cabe.
irisan cabai merah tadi supaya ada warna sedikit, ya nggak?
Oh, chef, this looks so good.
Eating is always
An
something
experience.
with the eyes, not only
Exactly.
And the flavors.
The
and then
eyes, the nose.
I have a little bit of kemangi. This makes it wangi. Ya.
I love kemangi.
Jadi, and kemangi memang cocok buat seafood kan. Jadi I think we
Really
can put
fresh
this nice
flavor.
inside, like this. And here we go. We have a nice prawn laksa
Guys, lihat.
on a beautiful
Saturday
afternoon.
Exactly.
Check this one out.
This is called nikmat, everybody.
Yee.
Look at this.
Isn't this nice?
Kreasinya our chef.
Okay, Sharon,
Okay.
your time to try.
Yes. Chef, you also try, chef. I'm a photo
No, I
dulu
know
nih.
already how it tastes, Sharon.
It tastes good. But I need photo first, you know. This is
Yeah.
such a beautiful
Take
creation.
pictures. Awas
I
ada
need-
kakinya tuh.
Gak apa-apa, namanya ada orang di belakang.
Iya. Nyam nyam nyam
I'm
nyam.
so ready.
Here we go.
I'm so ready for
Nyam, nyam,
this.
nyam, nyam. Here we go.
This is my favorite moment, guys.
Nyam 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 nyam.
Kayak pas udah jadi.
Wait, Chef. We make it nice for you here, so you can wait.
I feel like.
So you can eat it on top. So
Feel like
it's
Wolverine.
not difficult for you to eat. So I'm cleaning the space.
I feel like I'm in a fine dining, you know, chef, private chef moment with this private laksa. And
Here we go.
this is what you call nikmat, guys. Ada chef yang cook for you, and all you gotta do is talk and then eat. You know what I mean? This is life. Let us try the soup first. Kita master chef dulu. Cicipin dulu supnya.
Jadi saya mesti berdiri depan dong.
Chef harus sini, presentasikan ke saya jurinya. Perfect flavor, guys. The saltiness, good.
Yeah.
Everything
But you know,
rasa
you
banget.
need to eat it with the meat, with the noodles. Eat it with the noodles so you know whether the saltiness is enough.
Okay.
Because sometimes it a bit
Dissolves in the-
ya, ngilang sedikit kan karena kita
Okay.
ada mie-nya kan. Tapi you have
Jadi,
to eat it with the
gini.
meat and with the kuah
And the
juga.
kuah,
ya.
gini.
So it's
Ini kebanyakan gak sih? I like it the more the better, you know what I mean? Guys, kalau I makannya very unprofessional, like anak
Kan bukan
kampung.
fine dining gitu loh. Mau belepotan silahkan juga gitu. Makes it original and authentic and organic gitu loh. It's good? Good?
No comment, just Now to taste the big fat juicy prawn.
Oh yeah. Nah,
This-
lagi ya, udangnya nggak usah lama-lama. Ya, sebetulnya, if you have small prawns, it's enough. You put it inside for
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
The fat one,
but if
5
the big
minutes.
ones, maybe 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. You want the prawns still to be crunchy, right? You don't want it to overcook. And you can see that these prawns are pretty much fresh. I mean, you can really bite it.
This.
And it's really nice.
Ini guys, when your prawn is cooked perfectly, 5 menit barusan di Thermomix, it looks like this. It will curl up prettily.
So actually, if all the prawns are not peeled yet, I think you need a prawn.
I'm just like gonna eat like this because I have a
Baju
white.
lu terlalu bagus untuk makan gini kan.
Prawn dulu nih. Nah begini chef.
Okay.
Ready? Mantap. Guys, nggak bisa ngomong dulu. Tunggu.
Itu kamera.
Tunggu, nggak bisa ngomong dulu.
So, good, excellent.
10 out of 10. No, make it 11. 11.
So my job is done.
Nah, time to eat.
You
Sudah.
eat, go on, you eat. I'm okay.
Jadi guys, resep. Enggak konten makan ini udang enak banget. Bentar. Resep apa tanya?
Kalau resepnya,
Oh, misalnya kalau misalnya mau tahu resepnya langsung aja di DM ya guys. Because you can make this again sendiri nih di rumah.
kita
Enak
sudah
banget.
bikin resepnya. Jadi Thermomix Indonesia sudah mempersiapkan resepnya. Kalau kalian ingin tahu resepnya,
Yeah,
just mention it.
exactly.
Ada pertanyaan?
Ada pertanyaan
Nggak
last
ada.
minute?
Okay guys, that
Thank
was
you.
a great Saturday afternoon. Ya, mudah-mudahan ini berguna hari ini. Mudah-mudahan kalian belajar sesuatu baru. Dan yang pasti kalian lihat masak prawn laksa dengan Thermomix barusan ini. It only took us maybe
30 minutes,
25
yeah,
to 30
max.
minutes ya, cepat sekali dan
Enak banget guys.
Oke, jangan lupa ya, kapan-kapan kalau mau datang ke sini,
Kunjungi
kita
kita.
ada di Thermomix Indonesia
Experience Center. Thank you so
Sampai
much
ketemu.
for tuning in.
See you
Bye.
guys.